Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we are passionate about business and accounting. And today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about the stimulus checks. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hey guys, so today I will be talking about the stimulus checks and what the news is saying about them and what we should expect. And there's so many things out there out in the news. Some say that there's gonna be another $600 check for individuals. Another one says $1,400. And then you see some things out there that say it's $2,000. So I'm gonna clarify some things for you guys because I think it's important that we just keep updated on some of these things because it does affect you from a personal standpoint, which could affect your business as well, especially if you're a small business and the income that you receive from your business directly impacts your personal income as well. So basically, to clear the air, the next round of stimulus checks is going to be $1,400. Now, we already received, or many people have already received, the $600 per person stimulus check, and there's gonna be another one pending for $1,400. So the total of the two would be $2,000. So hopefully that clears some things up because there's a lot of different numbers that were being bounced around in the media recently. So I'm gonna read you a recent article that I thought was pretty interesting and did a really good job really outlining and explaining what the stimulus check is going to entail. So a massive 1.9 trillion stimulus bill called the American Rescue Plan that includes a third round of economic impact payments, also known as stimulus checks. On January 14, President-elect Joe Biden presented his first order of business, a massive 1.9 trillion stimulus bill called the American Rescue Plan that includes a third round of economic impact payments, also known as the stimulus checks. Many Americans anticipated a third round would include $2,000 checks in addition to the second round of $600 to total $2,000. So again, it's the $1,400 plus the $600 equals the $2,000 in total for 2021. So that means if you're a qualified single taxpayer who received or expect to receive $600 in the most recent payment round, you are likely qualified to receive the $1,400 under the Biden's proposal. And before I go any further, please consider subscribing to our channel. We cover all things business and some things personal finance. So has the American Rescue Plan become law yet? Not yet. The bill requires 60 votes to pass. Democrats and Republicans will each have 50 seats in the Senate, and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris can vote in the event of a tie. To pass this bill, Biden will need the support of at least 10 Republicans and a full Democrat caucus in the Senate for it to pass in the House. So how much will each person receive? So up to $1,400 for qualifying individuals, $2,800 for qualifying couples who file a joint tax return, $1,400 for each dependent child under the age of 17, $2,000 for qualifying adult dependent. Now this is new because last time they wasn't included, but this round they're gonna be included and it's up to the $2,000. So that one will be $2,000 for an adult dependent. For single people, the payments are reduced for those with adjusted gross income, AGI, above $75,000. And AGI essentially is what you're taking home before taxes. For married couples filing jointly, the phase out begins at an AGI of $150,000. If you file as head of household, the reductions begin at $112,500. So which tax year is used to determine your eligibility? Your 2019 tax return will be used to determine whether you're eligible for a stimulus payment. If you haven't filed the 2019 returns, your 2018 tax returns will be used. If you receive Social Security, either retirement or disability, but didn't file a return in 2018 or 2019 because you earned too little to be required to file, you'll also receive a stimulus check based on the information sent to the IRS on 2019 forms SSA 1099 and RRB 1099. So basically, if you received this past $600 per individual stimulus check, most likely you're gonna get the $1,400 per person stimulus check. So when will these payments be distributed? This will depend on if and when the bill is passed. And so the likelihood of it actually passing is really high, especially since a lot of Republicans and Democrats are both in favor of at least the $1,400 stimulus payment for individuals. And the IRS has explained that it could be really quick to send out the $1,400 payments once it's signed. It could be within that same week. So let's recap real quick. The maximum top-up stimulus payment for adults and children dependents under the age of 17 will be $1,400. Adult dependents who were left out in previous rounds of stimulus checks would receive up to a full $2,000. So I hope you guys got something out of this. I just wanted to update you. Hopefully I simplified it and just made it clear as mud for you guys that are anticipating that stimulus check. Again, this is important for those business owners that really need that extra income to help them with their personal finance so they can leave more money into their business for 2021. So that's all I have for you guys today. We really appreciate your support. Please, if you got any benefit from this, please subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.